You gonna send a white bitch to my motherfucking buzzer? Talking about some higher education. You're a dummy, bitch. You will never know shit. Don't nobody want you. Don't nobody need you. I should have aborted your motherfucking ass. Cause you ain't shit. And you had that smirk on your face, bitch. Now smile about that. Smile about that, you fat bitch. I'ma kill you, bitch.
Hi guys, today's video is going to be something very special and I don't think it was ever done before, and if it was done before then I feel really bad for you because everyone knows that I'm biracial, and apart from the white side of me wanted to say a nigga, I mean, oh! Whoa, the white side of me just said the N-word. Like right now she's doing a backflip, she's hosting a party, she's celebrating right now because she finally get to say it. Like, ooh, my bad guys. Apart from the white side of me wanting to say the N-word, she's also a colonizer, which means that she don't give a heck what anyone thinks. She'll steal whatever, whenever and however she can steal it, she will steal it. So if you did come up with this idea before me, I got bad news. You're not getting credits. Haha. So my brilliant idea, I was gonna do a Precious hair tutorial, and I know that I'm pretty excited for this because Precious, she had such an iconic hairstyle, and that's what I'm gonna do today. But before we start, everyone knows that when I do a biracial girl hair tutorial, I always have to bring something for the biracial girls because, you know, we never get that credit. Never. Never. So I made a song for you guys. I made a song for all my biracials, my Latinas. This one's for you. She's just a girl, but she's biracial, filled with caucasity and a little bit of niggity. She's living in a world and she got those curls, filled with 2B and a lot of 4C. She speaks Spanish when she's down. Hola, bonjour, ding dong. Oh, this right here is my crown. I am not put it down. This girl is biracial. This girl is biracial. She's biracial. I worked really hard on it, and I do hope that you appreciate it. I do hope that y'all welcome me with open arms. I'm new to this biracial girl thing. I promise. I promise. I'm worth it. Just let me prove myself, baby. So for today's video, I'm going to be answering a lot, and I mean a lot of questions. I'm going to be answering all the questions that every single mixed girl avoided. And trust me, I will spill all the tea. And the tea will jump out and it will legend. Sissy boo cunt. Hunty boo boo. Period. Sorry, that was the white side of me. She got loose. So the photo that I'll be recreating is right here. So what we'll be needing for this tutorial is softener free. We'll be needing our anime hairbrush. Last but not least, we'll be needing a tub of Eco Gel. We want to get the one that looks like Discharge. I love the look of Discharge, and I think that this one is a very good kind. It keeps your hair in and it holds it for a very long time. Trust me, oh no. So the first step is that we're gonna comb out the hair because Precious, she have a bang, so we have to part like right here and we have to create a bang with the front of the hair. So let's get on to the first question. So the first question is, do you struggle with your hair? I don't think that us biracial girls ever struggle with our hair. If you struggle with your hair, then I don't think that you are biracial. If you are biracial and you struggle with your hair, you need to get that checked out. But anyways, so now that we have our bang, we just have to take some softener free, and then we have to slick down the hair after we insert the softener free. Hello. So we just want to get this up. Motherfucker! Oh wow. Sorry guys, I'm Latina. I have a short temper. Us Latinos, we be so crazy. I want to stab you. Anyways, yeah, we just moisturize all of this, and then we give it one more comb to ensure that it's nice and nice. The next question is, do you know BTS? I don't know who BTS is, but as far as my knowledge goes, I do know that BTS stands for Biracial's the shit. So, with that being said, you know, good luck to BTS in life. I really... Sorry. I think that that's my new motto, Biracial's the shit, because it's like, why not? So now we are gonna take a dime size amount. This is all you need for your hair, because us mixed girls, we have that shit that slicks in like pow. Okay, maybe we need a little bit more, just a little bit more. Okay, yeah, that's much better. Okay, well, maybe we need a little bit more. How much do we need? You see these fucking bangs, bitch? I got those Nicki Minaj bangs right now. Like, it looks so fucking good. I look good. Oh my god. Wow, sorry. My bad. Damn. I got those e-girl bangs. I want to try something very risky, and I want to flat iron the bangs. Every time I use this shit always burns me. Like, this shit is so fucking ugly. I look like Buttercup, bitch. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Bitch, I'll beat you the fuck up. Talk shit, get smacked, bitch. Oh, this shit is so hot right now. Yo, you hear that shit? This shit ain't doing shit for my fucking hair. Okay, well, you know what? We'll put you to rest. I didn't need it anyways. Guys, I'll just go get some hair paints and come back. Okay, guys. Woo! You so lucky that the YouTube terms are coming straight. I would have released the biggest F-bomb. This shit burned me! Ooh! Ooh! Wow! Yo, why is she so stiff? This shit looks like I'm wearing a hat or something. Yeah, we gonna settle for this. We gonna settle for that. So now the next part is to sleek the ponytail behind here and leave the bangs out. And this part should be easy because it's like, you see these inches? Like, we should get through this in a breeze. Like, this is gonna be very easy. So I don't think that I need to tell y'all how to do it. So the next question is, was you born Latina? First of all, I get this question a lot, and I don't even know what it means. I'll comb my hair out, get back on camera, and then answer the question. Jesus, Mary, Joseph! Anyways, my hair is combed out to the top, so we'll get back to the next question. So, like always, we always get a dime size amount of gel, and then we put it in the hair. But the question was you born Latina? And quite frankly, I don't even understand what this question means. Like, how can you be born Latina? First of all, when you were born, you speak baby language. You don't speak Spanish nor English. So to ask someone if they were born Latina, bitch, do you think that we come out the womb being like, hola, ¿cómo estás? Wow, 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 ¿cómo estás? Bonjour. So now we take our anime brush and then we sleek this hair. Ooh. God damn. Yeah. Okay, so the next question is very bizarre. This one goes like, does your period come in a different color because you're mixed? Girl, I don't know who you talking to. You're not referring to me. Mixed with what? Like fucking reptilian or something? Like, is this a form of colorism? Like, what are you trying to indicate? On to the next question. Okay, so the next question is, can you do your pubes like you do your... I'll reread it because I'm pretty baffled. Can you do your pubes like you do your edges? Next question, because I refuse, and I refuse. Thank you. And I'm gonna walk with my Chanel purse. So this question was a very interesting question, and it goes, how often are you mistaken for Jordan Woods? And quite frankly, I get this question a lot. And my answer is... Have anybody ever tell you you look like Jordan Woods?
Nah, they usually tell me I look like Shalissa.
Who the fuck is that?
Me, nigga.
Just know I get asked more than enough. It's all jokes aside, like honestly, my hair got so long. This isn't a question, but this is a demand. Drop the skincare routine. Genetics. So this question I find very offensive. This one went, why are you mixed? Pick a side. Excuse me? First of all, let me tell you something, baby girl. I ain't no flip-flop. So I ain't know who you trying to call a flip-flop, but I ain't ever flip-flop. I played neutral, hunty. Okay, bitch? And you know what? When you're mixed, you could deal outside your wrist, because guess what? At the end of the day, you have choices. Oh, no one's gonna say a period? Okay, cool. Yo, to get this shit in a ponytail, this gonna stress me, yeah. This gonna stress me, yeah. Oh, wow. Can I get a motherfucking period in this bitch? Okay, so the next step is the headband, and we're going to be using this. And for anyone asking, the brand is called... The fuck is this shit? Oh. Yeah, yeah, we're going to be using our Sukunisi headband, and then, I look like Precious for real.
You're a dummy, bitch. You will never know shit. Don't nobody want you. Don't nobody need you.
So the next part is the bundles. And if you've watched Precious, you'll know that Precious had bundles for days. She had a mixed blend. It was Party City and a little bit of Human. Honestly, with the living condition that Precious was in, I'm kind of confused as to how she got bundles. Anyways, I digress. I don't know what that word means, but I just use it because, you know, we gotta sound classy. Wait, hold on. Cause she's giving a little bit of Ariana right now. When raindrops fall down from the sky, the day you left me, an angel cried. Oh, she cried. An angel cried. She cried. I give you Ariana right now with this shit. So now we're just gonna apply our bundles, you know. Y'all thought it was over from there. It ain't over. We gonna add some more bundles, boo. And now we take our rubber band and we seal all this goodness. Are you guys ready? Y'all ready? We feeling her? Hold on. Are we feeling her? Yes or no? What the fuck? All my fucking concealer just... Oh, wow. Wow. Look at this. Look at this right here. All my motherfucking concealer just spilt in the bed. What a time to be alive. What a fucking time to be alive. This hair thingy. We gonna show it.
Beat it up like flow. Flow. Beat it up like.
Lady, we bounce to this.
I'm gonna call my friends and see what they think about my hairstyle. Okay, no one's picking up. I'm just gonna send my friends something super risky so that they can pick up fast. No one even called. Wow. Okay, I'll just sit right here. Okay, Bars, no one's answering. I'm dying! I'm dying! Oh, hi. Okay, so, Alex, can you guess who I am right now? I'll give you a spin.
Wait a second. Let me see. I gotta think. Who are you?
Who am I? It's Precious.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, and the bangs. The bangs.
Oh, that was an ugly thumbnail. I'm not gonna do that. Anyways, this look is completely finished. Period. Anyways, guys, that's the end of this video. I do thank you for watching, and I thank everyone who, you know, say kind stuff to me and watch me every single day. I never say it before, and, you know, thank you to those who like, comment, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. Thank you to anyone who put my name out there and who, you know, want excellence for me. I really thank you. Back up a little. Yeah, don't get too close. Thank you. What am I doing? Goodbye, guys!